This is Liana Boon Language and Computer Center. It's an English school for Lao youngsters located in Laksao, a village in the middle of Lao PDR, in Bolikamsai province. It's a rural area in development and it's known to be close to the border with Vietnam. The leader of this project is Peter Liang Nabun. Before, he was a lecturer of finance and banking at Savanakhet University. The first class was conducted on 25th April 2016 with 20 students, 13 girls and 7 boys, and it was called Peter English Fashion Class. The name portrays Peter's views about learning and teaching English here. It has to be amusing and creative. English is the most spoken language in the world and it's used in global commerce, media, and in all modern technologies, such as computers and smartphones. It's the way different cultures communicate with each other, making it possible for them to share interests and knowledges.
What is your purpose to create an English center in Laksao?
Well, I decided to create an English center in here, in Laksao, because I see that the English level of the student in Laksao is quite low and they cannot speak English with the foreigner. Laksao will be a tourist destination in the future. So that's why if the student or the people in Laksao, they can know English, they have ability and capacity to talk with the foreigner. So I try to invite all the foreigners come here to visit my school and to enjoy the Lao culture, Lao food, and also exchange the culture together.
On 2nd August 2018, the Chief of the Department Office of Education and Sports of Bolikamsai Province approved it as a center, idea proposed by the department itself.
Do you like to travel? Why is English important when you travel?
Yeah, I like to travel. English is very famous to communicate in the world and very useful for us when traveling in other countries.
On 5th September 2018, Peter received the first pupils as Liana Boon Language and Computer Center, starting a well-organized system. Well, in the center there are 3 classrooms. Depending on their level of English, the students can integrate advanced class or beginner class. They are from 15 to 18 years old and are around 100. The focus is first on speaking, then grammar, reading, listening and writing. The center provides learning materials such as English books, and in the near future digital supplementary material will be available in a blog. The classes run 5 days per week from Monday to Friday, 2 hours per day from 6 to 8 p.m.
Can you tell me a little bit about your passions?
My dream, I would like to be a flight attendant. To work there, English is really important and I have to talk with many people from different countries around the world.
The foreigner teacher helps with the proper pronunciation, share their habits, experience and new teaching methods. Furthermore, there are 3 permanent, qualified and experienced lecturers, Peter, Utai and Kendall.
Why is English important for your students?
Because if you know English, it would be helpful for you if you want to apply the scholarship to studying abroad.
After 18 months or 6 semesters, we are going to receive
a certificate of English is available. It's really important for our curriculum.
We aim to teach English in a fun, innovative and relaxed way. So during the weekends, we organize outside activities like football matches and hangouts. On one hand, we provide a means for the students to become more active in the modern world. On the other hand, a means that helps the country to improve, develop, and be a part of the global network. Our mission is to create better opportunities for the new generations to explore their horizons and fulfill their dreams and passions.
We study English at Liang Nabun Language and Computer Center.